So as far as the S&P goes, again, I was talking about yesterday. This could just be a chop day. I grabbed a put yesterday for the pullback into this zone, but we pushed up and then pulled back. So ultimately, I'm just down. Other than that, at the dip, I did buy the calls. So the calls I have are up, not enough to cover the down. Still a red day for me. I wanted more red. Earlier today we were talking, even in chat a little bit. Like I wanted that to be a bear flag. It kind of played out, but then we just turned it around. Ultimately, a chop day. I know we have some news tomorrow. Was it job reports? I think it's job reports. So we'll see. Hit the expected move and pulled back. So kind of keeping it within expectations. The NASDAQ does look more like a bear flag. So it sucks that I'm not in NDX puts, but right now I would. Now, again, I went short small for the pullback, but I'm really hoping we just kind of go down here, just because I'm more interested in buying the dip than I am actually shorting. Just realized my head is giant. The camera's probably gonna change a lot. So I did go long this. And I would love to still be. I told you guys last night, like, hey, that one's gonna be good. I did go long, and it was actually this pullback right here that got me out. So kind of sucks. Kind of thought we'd end up holding right here outside that wick. That's where my stop was. It stopped and continued up. I kind of still like it for the long play. I need a pullback to really get in it though. As far as the Russell goes. Now the Russell could be a decent short play, just at that zone. The imagine not selling zone is probably what that's about to be called. Yeah, honestly, I would take a short position in that. Let me grab the ticker call out real quick.